So watch over my shoulder as I show you what I'm taking with us as we go on our road trip. If you're not familiar with our road trip yet, then we are doing 6 weeks, pretty much the whole of the school holidays. We get our ferry home on the same day they go back to school. That's how close it's going to be. And we are visiting Holland, Belgium, France and Germany. 2 kids in tow. Obviously me and Dom, and how much can we fit in the car, and of course what we can take with us so that I can actually cook when I'm on holiday, because I'm that weirdo that loves to cook abroad and try out new foods. So I can't wait for you to follow us on our journey around Europe. So would you like to see exactly what I've packed? And sorry about the looks today. Hair in ponytail, been packing all day and attempting to fit it all in the car. My bestie said, have you got a roof box? No. So can I fit it all in our car for one? So shall I show you exactly what we're taking with us? So let's move the... Okay, so I've got it all out on my table so far. I cannot live without my nest of bowls. These are Joseph and Joseph. They've been travelling with us to so many different places. But they have the different size cups here, from a teaspoon right up to 1 cup. And then, of course, the bowls, the sieve, all that kind of good stuff. So that's coming with us. And a bit weird, like, but I've decided that I want to make beer bread whilst we're in Germany. So I've got these, and they are my silicone inserts. So they're going to be good for bread. But you can also do them for fruit loaves and things like that. This is my favourite mixing bowl of all time. It actually came with some really old weighing scales that I had years ago that I don't even own anymore. And that reminds me actually, oops, I have not grabbed my weighing scales. Better go and get them. I was making some last minute sausage rolls and I needed them, so oops, better not forget to pack those. I've also got some Tupperware. And this is brilliant, again from Lakeland, and I think they came from Lakeland as well. And then I've been asked which gadgets I'm taking with me. Well, good old Speedy's coming. Oops, I just spotted a little bit of muck there. Yep, we're taking the Speedy with us. We've got a spare insert for it as well, so that we can go from cooking one thing to another. It's a good place for keeping all your tea towels as well. And then have it so that it's in the lower position, and then you can hold more stuff in there. So this is going to be the paper liners for it. So you can just pop them down just like that, as you can see. And then we can probably fit some tea towels in there as well to save on some space. And look at that, isn't that a good one? So pop the lid down on that. That's the Speedy sorted. And then I've also got over here some spare trays so that I don't make too much of a mess. And this is my other insert, or cooking pot as you might call it. And that is loaded with my herbs and spices. And I've also got my pie maker. You all keep saying to me that I've got you actually cooking pie. Well, I thought I'd take it with me, because when I get leftovers and we've got leftover food from the holiday, we can put it on, or we can have some quiche. So, what have I got in this beauty? So this is my box of tricks, as you could say, and this has got a bit of everything in here. So this is going to be my herbs and spices whilst I'm away. And it's very hard for someone like me to downsize this collection. So this is what you see right now. And basically I've got in here salt, I've got pepper, I've got ground coriander. What else have I got? I've got sweet paprika. I've got dried thyme. I've got garlic, ginger, lemongrass, parsley, basil, some vanilla essence for when the kids want some cooking done, coriander leaf, or if you're in the US, you would call that cilantro. I've got some mustard powder. I've got some smoked paprika, I've got some little sachets left over from various places. I've got some fajita seasoning there. I've just got a bit of everything. I've got some of my favourite Blue Dragon left over. I've got garlic, I've got ginger, I've got tomato puree. And it's a really good collection there. And it's great because I can just pop it like that into Dom's car and it should be good. Provided he's still got the space, I wonder. So, that just leaves left my suitcase. Oh wow, look at this suitcase. Now this suitcase has been with us on many a trip and it's just perfect for having a kitchen on the go. So in this side, let me take you around this way. I've got a smaller chopping board because that will fit, and I've got some trays. Dom seems to think I'm a tad obsessed with trays at the moment, but as the whole internet seems to be obsessed with a picky tea, or I would call it dinner, they're absolutely perfect for that. And then what else have I got? I've got some little dishes for us to eat out of. I picked these up from B&M last night. I've got some little taco holders. Like I said, I've got a spare one, so that's the one that goes in there. I wanted to make sure I had some spare ones if I was just cooking from that, just in case. I've got some cups. I've got foil because I can't live without foil with my kitchen gadgets. I've got scissors. I've got a brush. I've got silicone. Wooden spoon, rolling pin. What else have I got in here? Oh, I got these from B&M last night. I'm quite taken with them. They are scented swing bin liners. They smell really good. I've got some pegs so if I buy some peas they don't end up everywhere. What am I baking? I've got a full fairy in here somewhere. Oh yeah, there it pops. What else have I got? My favourite peeler, Joseph and Joseph. Perfect when me and Sophia are down the market choosing some fresh fruit and veg. This, of course, is a loose bottom one, so perfect for quiches and things like that. I could even do a key lime pie in that one if I wanted to. This is my cheese grater. Every food stylist I know wants to buy this from me. I got it from IKEA, and it's basically double grater, so you've got the bigger grate, the smaller grate, and then you can keep the cheese in it. It's hard with one hand. And there you have it. What else have I got in here? Oh, these are the cutest. Miniature extra virgin olive oil. They're 250ml. Picked them up from Morrison's last night. I got 2 of them because I thought to myself, one runs out and I can get rid of it and I can spare some space. So I got 2 of those to get me started. Not that you can't get olive oil in Germany, it's just it makes it easier to have a kit. The kids will want the boiled eggs and soldiers on holiday, so I've got some of those. I've got an ice cream scoop, but it's also very good if you're doing meatballs. And then I've got some more trays in here as well that you can see. And then I've got some knives. I've got them covered up so that I don't cut myself when I go and grab something. So I've got 2 knives there. I've got a knife sharpener in here as well. So that if I'm staying somewhere and the knives aren't very sharp. And then I've got electric can opener. It's amazing how much I can fit in here. I've got some freezer bags. These are from IKEA. Oh, and I've got some bin bags. And if Sophia lets me use them, I've also got these, which are like little dip tubs. And that is most of the stuff I've actually got in here. Oh yes, I've got my baby. It's actually on European plugs, so I don't have to use an adapter. And it is my hand blender. So if you're making a soup using your speedi, then you've got a backup plan. And I mean, isn't that fantastic? And it's just a nice little suitcase to have everything in, and I'll show the suitcase when it's getting used when we're actually away. Oh, and don't you think that's brilliant for a lovely collection of things to take with us? You probably think I'm a bit nuts taking all these, but it fits perfectly, and this is my kind of road trip. So I can't wait to share this with you on our journey as we travel around. And our first stop, we get off the ferry in Rotterdam on Tuesday morning. So that's where we're going first. We're going to hotel it overnight, so we won't be actually cooking for then. But as soon as we get into an Airbnb and something like this, all this stuff can come out, and it's going to be great fun showing you what we can cook at home using these kitchen gadgets. And if you've not done any of this before, then it's a great way to get started. And if you're team speedy, brilliant. If you're not, then note that it doubles up as an air fryer, a slow cooker, and it steams. So if you have any of those, then you can easily convert our recipes depending what you have and what you're doing. So here's to a summer road trip. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at kitchengadgetsclub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.